Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 and I'm going to show you how to fix delayed notifications. Delayed notifications on your phone, where messages or emails only arrive once you unlock your phone or manually open the app, are caused by One UI's background process limits. Those mode network throttling or adaptive battery restrictions. At first you need to open the settings and open battery. Here scroll down to the background usage limits and tap either new sleeping apps or deep sleeping apps. Here we need to remove apps from background usage limits. You need to find your application in here. If you see it, tap this three dot in the top right corner, remove, and select your application in the list. Then hit remove. Now once we've got it removed, everything should be nice. One UI automatically puts apps you don't open frequently into sleeping or deep sleeping status, suspending their push notification listeners when the screen is locked. Here you can, by the way, disable this option by tapping this option right here. Here we've got something. I don't know why. What was that actually? Oh, it was profile picture. And once we've got this application removed, we can move to the next step. Set up battery usage to unrestricted. Open the apps section, find your application that you've got problems with, for example Facebook, scroll down to the battery and select unrestricted here. Android's adaptive battery manage CPU cycles for background applications. Setting critical applications to unrestricted ensures their background services remain active continuously. Now we can turn off adaptive battery and power saving. Of course, we need to go back again to the same section like battery and background usage limits. Tap this top right corner three dots and tap adaptive battery. Disable adaptive battery. Once you've got it disabled, everything should be fine. Standard power saving mode caps background data connections and disables push notifications while listeners when the phone is folded or idle, and we need to go back and disable power saving if you've got anything set like that. So actually that should be it. You need to reinstall and install the application back again, or contact device support or application support that you've got notifications delayed. Bye!